Hi, this is Jim Munson. We're here at Encore Packaging, and today we are taking a look at our EP1345 battery-operated tensioner for cord strapping. So before we get into a demo, let's take a look at some of the settings on the EP1345. So we have three different pull settings here. We have an automatic setting. When we're in this setting, pressing the trigger below here once will cause the tool to pull whatever tension we have set, and then it will also back off a couple of turns. Depending on what kind of material you're using, that can make it easier to cut. For some of the other modes, we press and hold until it switches over. The semi-auto mode, it will pull to whatever tension we have set, and then once it gets there, it will stop. And then finally, the manual mode, it will only pull tension when we are pulling the trigger underneath. Above here, we have the tension setting. So this, you press and hold until it starts blinking, and then we have 6 different tension settings. Cycle through until you have the one that you want, and then you simply wait until it stops blinking, and then the tool will be good to go. Taking a look at the tool from the side here, you're going to notice a lot of similar features to any other kind of poly tensioner that's out there. You're going to have your cutter housing and your windlass and your gripper foot. The main difference is going to be, instead of a handle cranking to get you your tension, you're going to pull this trigger and let the machine do the work for you. So let me give you a demonstration of how it works. So I have the tool set in the semi-automatic mode, which means it will pull to whatever tension that we have set at and then stop there. So that semi-auto mode allows the time saving of the 1345 to be used. So I can start by loading up one of our buckles here, and anytime that you're loading a wire buckle with cord strapping, you want to make sure that it's oriented this way, so you're kind of seeing the C, like the letter C. So let's go ahead and get that guy all set up. So once you have your buckle, you are going to want to pull some of the slack out yourself. And once you have that, then you're going to raise the handle here to lift the gripper foot. Your bottom strap is going to go underneath there. And then your top strap is going to go through the windlass and the cutter housing here, and then you're going to press your button and it's going to pull to the tension we had set. So as you see there, while that guy was pulling its tension on our first buckle, we were getting our second buckle ready to use so that we can transition right over. Again, raising our gripper foot, sliding our strap through the cutter housing and windlass, and pressing our button for the cycle to run through the strap. And then as you can see, that is pulling some really nice tension. So again, that is the EP1345 battery operated tensioner for cord strapping. Thank you.